Hey, poor man, you're sleeping on this broken bed. Can't you make a better one?
Hey, stop. Just wait a bit, and I'll make such a fun bed in front of you that you've never seen in your life. Friends, today, I'm going to build a wooden bed that you've never seen before. I'm not lying. You've truly never seen a bed like this. Maybe I can't afford a new bed, but I have the skills to craft one with my own hands. But before that, let me tell you one thing: if you love your mother, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Finally, my bed is ready, and now I can sleep peacefully.